Welcome back, students. This is Module 3, Lesson 5, Part 2, Service Sector. In this Part 2, we will be discussing only about healthcare industry, the important trends of healthcare industry, problems and opportunities. This is we are going to cover. So first, let us start with important trends in health industry. Healthcare industry in India comprises healthcare organization, that is hospitals, nursing home, diagnostic centers, dental hospitals, clinics, Ayurvedic hospitals, etc. and personnel, that is doctors, nurses and other caregivers and health insurance providers. So they are coming under healthcare industry. Now, what are the trends of healthcare industry? Number one, rapid growth. The Indian healthcare market was estimated at 35 billion US dollars in 2007. It is expected to become 280 billion US dollars industry by 2020. Rising income levels and growing elderly population are some of the factors contributing to its growth. Second point, rapid expansion in health infrastructure. There was substantial expansion in health infrastructure in India in terms of healthcare facilities and personnel. 3. Role of traditional indigenous medicines. There are two main forms of traditional medicines practiced in India. They are the Ayurvedic system and the Unani, that is herbal medical practice. As a part of National Rural Health Mission NRHM launched in 2005, importance is given to Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush. See, Ayurveda, A stands for Ayurveda, Y stands for Yoga, then this is U stands for Unani, S stands for Siddha and H stands for Homeopathy, Ayush. So these are, then the next point is public and private providers of health services. The health sector in India has a mix of both public and private providers of services. The private sector and the quality care provided is variable. In the public sector, the health services are divided through a network of health facilities at the community level, health sub-centers, HSC, primary health centers, PHCs, community health centers, CHCs, district hospitals, government medical college hospitals, and the state and central assisted ESI hospitals and dispensaries. Government hospitals, some of which are amongst the best hospitals in India, AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, provide treatment either free or at minimum charges. The private sector has started to play an important role in providing healthcare facilities. Public sector consists of corporate entities such as Apollo Hospitals, Wakad Hospital, Fortis Healthcare, etc. Next point, rising investment in healthcare facility. 100% FDI is permitted for all health related services under automatic route. Infrastructure status has been accorded to hospitals. Income tax exception for 5 years is given to the hospitals in rural areas, Tier 2 and 3 cities, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The Indian pharmaceutical market size is expected to grow to 100 billion USD by 2025. Next, healthcare through insurance. Only 10% of the population has any form of health insurance coverage. There is an urgent need to expand the health insurance in India. 7th point, medical tourism. India is becoming a hub for medical tourists seeking quality healthcare at affordable costs. Reduced costs, access to the latest medical technology, growing compliance to international quality standards, and ease of communication all work towards India's advantage. So these are the important trends in health industries. Students understand these are very important points. 7 points we discussed, so you have to give the answer. What are the important trends of health industry in India? So all the 7 points. Now coming to the next point, problems, issues facing the health industry in India. What are the problems that health industry is facing in our country? Number one, inadequate healthcare infrastructure. India's healthcare infrastructure has not kept pace with the growth of the economy. The physical infrastructure is inadequate to meet healthcare demands. Most of the public health facilities provide only basic care. Second, the healthcare divide. Today, only 1/3 of Indian population has access to Western medicine, which is mainly available in the urban areas. Most of the rural poor depend on alternative forms of treatments such as Ayurvedic, Unani, and so on. Next, lack of insurance. There is a lack of health insurance to the vast majority of the population. Due to lack of insurance coverage, large part of total households expenditure by households is made out of pocket payment. Next, high incidence diseases. India suffers from high incidence of many diseases. India is one of the 2 countries where polio has not been eradicated. There is a large number of people living with AIDS. Some diseases such as dengue, fever, malaria, pneumonia, hypertension, cancer, diabetes, etc. have developed. So these are the problems faced by the health industry. Now the last point is opportunities and growth potential in health industry. What are the opportunities and what is the growth potential in health industries? Number one, rise in medical tourism. India is emerging as a destination for medical tourism. India's private hospitals excel in the fields such as cardiology, joint replacement, orthopedic surgeries, transplants, etc. A growing number of Western tourists are coming to India to pursue alternative medicines such as Ayurveda. Second point, growing health insurance market. In recent years, there has been liberalization of the healthcare sector in India to allow the private insurance market to grow. The growth of health insurance will make healthcare more affordable to larger segment of the population. Next, growth of telemedicine. Telemedicine refers to remote diagnosis, monitoring and treatment of patients via video conferencing or internet. Telemedicine is the fast emerging trend in India. It is supported by growth in information and communication technology. Next, enormous scope to expand healthcare infrastructure. A large amount of private capital would be required to expand India's healthcare infrastructure to meet the growing needs of rising population. There is enormous opportunity for private players to play an active role in the development of healthcare infrastructure. And the last point, other factors. There is a large opportunity for the medical equipment market, pharmaceutical industry, pharmaceutical research and clinical trials. Indian health industry has great challenges to meet. It has to improve physical infrastructure, provide health insurance and ensure the availability of trained medical personnel. This is what is about health industry. Students, when the question will be asked, explain health industry, trends, if they are specific about trends, explain trends, then give this all the 7 points of trends. Then if they are asking you the problems or issues faced by the industry, then these 4 points, and opportunities and growth potential in industry, these 5 points. If there is a question, explain health industry in India, then you have to cover the entire thing. All the things you have to cover, that is trends, important trends in health industry, then problems, issues facing the health industry, and opportunities or growth potential in health industry. So here this point is over. Thank you very much.